Good afternoon, welcome. This is Waec year 2018 past question comments subject. Question number 9 says, one disadvantages of a sole proprietorship is dash. Now, when we talk of sole proprietorship, this is a business that is owned and managed by one person. That is sole proprietorship. Then what are the disadvantages, or one of the following disadvantages of it? Option A, quick decision making. B, unlimited liability. C, pride of ownership. D, unlimited resources of capital. The correct option here is option B, unlimited liability. When we talk of unlimited liability, it means that when the company folds up, then the property of the owner will be sell out in order to pay his or her creditors. So that is what unlimited liability implies. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.